Hey guys, this is Eric Fontaine with Fontaine Forge. I'm out here in Middlefield. We're out here in Middlefield, yes. I don't even know where we are. We're in the middle of the woods. We got a nice little fire going. And I'm going to be forging in this fire. It's just a regular campfire, no fancy equipment. I got a cup of snow going here. This is going to be my quench tank. It's just a stainless steel cup, so we got that going over there. In the fire heating right now, I have a scrap piece of file that I found. So I got my rock, which is going to be an anvil. I got another rock, which is going to be my hammer. And we're going to make this 100% with primitive tools, just to show that you don't need special forges, you don't need special anvils. You can do this stuff just in a campfire. The only thing I do have is I do have pair of farrier's tongs just to hold my steel. You could use pliers, you can use just about anything that will hold hot steel. So let's get to work. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, we got this up to a good temperature now again. I started curling over the top, now we're just going to keep going with the transition right here. So I got my rock. Just going to make this a little bit more of a smooth transition here. And then the next heat, we'll bend it around to make our handle. Go. And this heat, pull it out, we're going to start making the bottom part of our handle. So we're going to bend you around, keeping it flat. We're going to get a little more heat to that, bend it around a little bit more on the next cycle. And then we'll be just about ready to quench. There you have it. Nice little flint and steel striker.
Gonna try it out now, man?
We're gonna try it out. There you go. Clean it off a little bit. Just get some of the scale off, just on this rock right here. And I got a piece of flint. I'm gonna try and light a fire with it, or at the very least get a coal. It's not pretty, but it is functional. Got it. Ugh, man, make fire. There you have it. It's all done. It's very usable. Not so pretty, but I also didn't start out with a long enough piece, really. If I had a full size piece of file, it would have been much better. But it's usable, and it was made without any tools, any special tools, no anvil, no hammer, no forge, just a campfire and a pair of tongs. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys get a chance, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Campfire Forging. And you guys have a good rest of your day.